Okay, so now that you have defined your goal and you've been very specific, if you didn't watch step one, which is defining your goal, go make sure you go and see that. But step two is to take time to envision it because this really gets to the root of it. And this is a really a fun step. Don't don't be tempted to skip it. It might not sound that important, but it really, really, really is. All of these steps are important. So take the time to do it. And believe me, you can end up enjoying it a lot. So when I say envision it, it's not in a I want to fit into my old jeans. That's your goal. Yes, that's maybe what your goal that you define in step one. But step two is more of envisioning yourself fitting into your jeans. Do you get what I'm saying? Is if you have achieved it, that you're there, that your jeans just slide on easily, you button them up, you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're feeling awesome. That's what I want you to envision. This step, I think it's really important to write it down. I know it doesn't sound that important, but there's something about taking the time with pen and paper and putting it into words, having to put up that sentence structure and really think about some of the words and feelings. So have fun with this one because I want you to think about, um, if you made a goal of eating healthy and let's say you envision what that means. And so you can picture yourself having these delicious meals. Maybe you open your fridge and there's a bunch of prepped food that looks amazing and is healthy and is nutritious and you're just respecting your body and giving it all the love that you know it deserves. However it speaks to you. I want you to think about how you're feeling because you've achieved it. You're in it. What do you see? Um, what are some of the emotions that are coming from it? What are other people saying? And this is important because this is what is going to make you believe it. So here's the thing. With step one, defining our goal, that's important. But when we start envisioning ourselves as if we have achieved that step one goal, then our brains actually start believing that will happen. Then some really cool things start happening. What starts happening is that because we're taking time to envision ourselves there and our brain starts believing we can, we will start more naturally making those choices that will get us to where we want to be. Okay, so we're less likely to sabotage ourselves. So the assignment today is to envision it and write that down, how it feels, how it looks, what's going on. And then also take some time every day to envision this. Like this, you only need to write it down once, but take some time to picture yourself as if you've already achieved those goals that you wrote down in step one. Have a fun time with this one. This one is really good, and you will be amazed at what your brain starts putting into motion.